In the world of power tools, bigger isn't always better. Enter the realm of mini chainsaws, a game-changing innovation that has revolutionized how we approach gardening and small-scale woodcutting tasks. These compact powerhouses are not just about their adorable size. They pack a punch strong enough to tackle jobs that would otherwise require their bulkier counterparts without breaking a sweat or your back. When it comes to selecting the perfect mini chainsaw for your gardening and DIY needs, several options stand out with their unique features and capabilities. So, watch the full video and check video description for more details. Number 1 is Seesii Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw is a powerhouse in a compact form. Its deep-hardened chain guide and pure copper motor ensure precise cutting with minimal effort. With just a light touch, you can effortlessly tackle logs up to 6 inches in diameter in a matter of seconds. The inclusion of two 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries and a fast charger means you can enjoy uninterrupted cutting for up to 50-60 minutes. Moreover, its lightweight design and one-hand operation make it a versatile and safe tool for any gardener or DIY enthusiast. Number 2 is Tomyvic Mini Chainsaw. The Tomyvic Mini Chainsaw impresses with its high-efficiency cutting and ultra-light design. Cutting through logs is a breeze with its 19.2 feet per second speed, taking only about 8 seconds to tackle a 6-inch diameter log. Weighing just 2.51 pounds, it's perfect for extended use without causing fatigue. The two 21-volt large-capacity battery packs ensure longer runtime, while the upgraded powerful copper motor guarantees durability and reliability. Whether you're pruning, gardening, or undertaking carpentry projects, this mini chainsaw is up to the task. Number 3 is Workpro Mini Chainsaw. The Workpro Mini Chainsaw stands out with its impressive chain speed and compact design. With a chain speed of 16.4 feet per second and a 6.3-inch guide bar, it's capable of handling branches of various sizes with ease. Safety features such as the lock-off switch and rotatable blade guard ensure secure and comfortable operation. Weighing just 3.2 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver, making it an excellent choice for both professional and amateur gardeners alike. Number 4 is Seesii Mini Chainsaw. Equipped with a strong dynamic system and upgraded copper wire motor, the Seesii Mini Chainsaw delivers superior cutting performance. Its lightweight and portable design, coupled with a 20-volt 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, make it ideal for a wide range of tasks. The safety lock ensures peace of mind during operation, while the one-handed operation makes it suitable for users of all ages and skill levels. Number 5 is Gardtech Mini Chainsaw. Designed for high-efficiency cutting and ease of use, the Gardtech Mini Chainsaw is a versatile tool for any gardening or DIY project. The inclusion of a dual switch and baffle system provides added protection and reliability during operation. With two 24-volt 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries, it offers extended runtime for prolonged use. The tool-free installation and tensioning make it a breeze to set up and use right out of the box. Number 6 is JpowTech Mini Chainsaw. The JpowTech Mini Chainsaw combines power and convenience in a lightweight package. With one-hand operation and an upgraded motor, it offers efficient cutting with minimal effort. The large-capacity battery pack ensures long-lasting use, while the multiple safety protections provide peace of mind during operation. The included accessories, such as cut-resistant gloves and safety goggles, enhance user safety and comfort. Number 7 is IMOUMLIVE Mini Chainsaw. Featuring a powerful motor and efficient cutting, the IMOUMLIVE Mini Chainsaw is perfect for a variety of outdoor tasks. Its lightweight design ensures fatigue-free operation, while the inclusion of 2 lithium-ion batteries provides extended runtime for prolonged use. Safety features such as the safety lock and widened handguard offer added protection during operation. Additionally, its compatibility with an extension pole makes it versatile for reaching higher tree branches with ease. Number 8 is Greenworks 24-volt 10-inch cordless chainsaw. For those seeking a reliable and trusted brand, the Greenworks cordless chainsaw is an excellent choice. Compatible with 24-volt lithium-ion batteries, it offers convenience and versatility for both indoor and outdoor tasks. The tool-less chain tensioning system allows for quick adjustments, while the automatic oiler ensures durability and extends the life of the chain. With a translucent oil tank for easy monitoring and a 10-inch bar and chain, it's perfect for cutting branches and limbs with ease.